How to change name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change name on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, just tap on the settings and privacy option. And now here with that, you can just tap on settings. And here, once you're inside the settings option, what you can do is you can just tap on account center. And now here, once you're inside the account center, just tap on profiles and personal details. And now here in this section, just select your Facebook profile in which you want to change your name. And now here, once you selected that, on the next page, you can just tap on name. And now here in this section, you can just tap on your name section and change it as you like. And now here, once you're done with that, what you can do is you can just tap on review changes, and after that you can just tap on save changes, and with that your name will be changed on Facebook. But remember, once you change the name, you can't change your name again within for the next 60 days. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.